Hello, Sensata Product University trainee. Welcome to our NPI 101 series. In this series, we will walk you through our highest performing magnetic encoder. This session will focus on the LP35, which was released in January of 2018. In this training, we will introduce the LP35 series and walk you through the trends that led to its development and how it helps customers solve for design barriers. This is the LP35. It is a low-profile magnetic encoder designed for measuring precise rotary measurements in a rugged, dirty industrial application. It combines the compactness of a low-profile design while retaining the robustness of magnetic encoder technology. It offers a form factor that is identical to optical encoders, allowing easy retrofitting. Due to its magnetic technology, it offers shock and vibration tolerance that is 10 times its optical counterpart. Its 26mm profile allows it to fit into tight applications, while its potted electronics make it less prone to seal failure. Lastly, Sensata offers a blank programmable version of the LP35, which allows it to be programmed on the fly on the factory floor. The LP35 series was developed in response to the needs of two different groups in the industrial market. First, rugged applications, especially the ones in the agricultural or forestry arena, are requiring more precise position sensing. There is an increased expectation of functionality out of this equipment, which requires the precision of an encoder versus a traditional Hall effect sensor. Optical encoders struggle with the shake and vibration tolerance required out of these applications. Secondly is the factory and motor outfitter applications. Both these users need a wide variety of encoder resolutions, and they need them to be available on the fly. A programmable encoder is much more desirable to holding mass amounts of replacement encoders. Sensata provides an option to purchase a blank programmable LP35 encoder. This provides versatility that is needed by customers or applications that require different resolutions on the fly. It can also reduce the number of backup encoders required for stock. Instead of having to carry 4 to 8 backup encoders for each piece of equipment, a programmable encoder allows for end users to carry only 1 or 2. There are both programmable incremental and absolute versions available. As stated before, the LP35 was designed for highly precise industrial position sensing in demanding environments. It pairs high shock and vibration resistance with high resolution capabilities. It can operate in temperatures as low as 40 degrees Celsius and up to temperatures as high as 100 degrees Celsius. It comes in both hollow shaft as well as shafted styles and offers a variety of standard electrical outputs. In the following slides, we will dive into the applications that the LP35 serves in greater depth. As our cities become more bustling, the need for practical transportation has become more important now than ever. Many cities find themselves expanding their light rail networks or creating brand new ones. Light rails require the precision of an encoder, but exists in a very demanding environment. Muck, humidity, and repeated shocks and vibration are all commonplace. The LP35 provides the accuracy associated with encoders in a rugged package that can survive in the environments of a light rail. Its magnetic technology can withstand the shaky environment of traction motor systems, while the potted electronics prevent humidity and muck from compromising its internal functions. Factory automation is one of the fastest growing industrial applications. The usage of conveyor systems and other automated machines is commonplace in manufacturing as well as distribution. With this application comes an increased demand for precise position sensors, along with other challenges. Factory equipment is not always uniform. The position or speed information required by one segment of a conveyor can be very different from another portion. Production lines may be set up to run a range of products which require sortation into different bins for packaging. The key word is flexibility. The standard approach would require the factory to stock up on a range of encoder resolutions in case one malfunctioned. This means lots of inventory dollars and space wasted on maintenance. Using a blank programmable LP35 allows the factory to cut back on the need for multiple backup encoders. The factory can just pull the blank one out and program it to the resolution they need, saving both dollars and space. Forestry equipment is a demanding application. It often requires a precise position sensor to cut, chop, and mill items to a specific length, but also has some unique environmental hazards. Shards of bark or wood are a major concern when it comes to the durability of equipment. Debris shooting out from one end of a saw or at a debarking station and banging into the equipment is commonplace. The sensors in the system need to be durable enough to withstand a blow while providing undisrupted sensing. The LP35 provides a low-profile encoder which has a reduced footprint, helping protect it from projectiles. The magnetic technology it uses also helps it withstand the high shock and vibration of forestry equipment, making it the ideal position sensor for these kinds of applications. As mentioned before, sometimes having a blank programmable encoder is an ideal solution for factory outfitters or maintenance teams. Shown here are the steps to program a blank LP35. Step 1. Connect the USB programming dongle to a PC. Step 2. Connect the encoder wires, terminal box or M12. In case of wires, pay attention to the correct wiring functions. 3. Launch the LP35 PC programming tool software, which is available on our website. The software tool will automatically detect the encoder type and give access to the relevant encoder parameters. Step 4. Change the encoder parameters as needed. Step 5. End the programming sequence by clicking on the Save button. Step 6. Disconnect the encoder. Thank you for your time, Sensata Product University trainee. I hope you learned a thing or two about our new LP35 compact magnetic encoder. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Sensata representative.